we're going to put our chains on. So it's important to remember to put your bus in neutral. Set the parking brake. Turn the engine off, and let's not forget to pull the key. And it's also important to tell your kids what's going on.
It's snowing and sleeting outside. The road is icy, so I'm gonna have to get outside and chain up the bus. You guys remain calm inside. That's all we're doing. You're nice and safe. We'll be back later in 5 minutes. That's all it's gonna take me. Any questions? We're gonna locate the chain box.
So we need to know where the chain box is. It's in different spots in different buses. Important that you look in there, see what's in there, that you got all your parts. But this is what there should be. Your instructions. Just in case you forget, that's going to tell you how to put them on. You're going to have 2 sets of chains. And then we're going to have 4 rubber bungees, pair of gloves, and a tarp. So you need to take your chains and stretch them all out, get all the kinks out of them, line them up with your back tire. Now this fastener, the smooth side's going to go against the tire. They actually have 3 hooks. Here's your front hook. Just clicks right in there like that. Easy breezy. This is the inside hook, the one that's on the inside of your duals. It's kind of tricky. See, it's a little S hook thing. You have to put it through and then down, and then that's how you get it back out too. The yellow things have to be on the outside of the tires. So Craig, can I help you with this?
I need some help.
Good. Let's do it.
Could you please grab the inside of the chain right here?
And always accept help. Another bus driver, a district employee. Chaining a bus is hard, and it's just easier with 2 people. So we take the chains and we're going to place them over the top of the tire. What you need to do is you have to keep stretching them out until they actually fit. Pulling, tugging until they fit. So now we're going to put the 2 fasteners on just temporarily because we're going to move the bus to fasten up the one in the inside. Now you only need to move it a door's length, front or back, depends on which way your bus is. So you could use a hammer as a reference, something on the outside, just a couple feet. That's the size of your door. So again, set your brake, take your key. Now we're going to undo them because you need the slack to fasten up the one on the inside. The reason we did them is so we wouldn't lose the chains when we move the bus. So we're going to take the end. There we go. There's that little S hook thing. Fasten it up. Now it's always going to be on the other side of the hook that's in the front, the one you can see. Again, we're going to just get them all stretched out, and there you got it. Your chains are on. Now you're going to take your rubber bungees and you're going to stretch them across the tire on all those yellow hooks. And that's what keeps the chains tight. You're going to take your second one, do the same thing. So you can have more than one of these rubber bungees on the same hooks. That's looking good. Now if you get your glove or something stuck in it, make sure you remove it before it's time to go. so it's tight. And that's a nice chainsaw job. So now we're on the road, but everything's cleared. It's time to remove the chains. You would think that would be easy, and it's not. Everything's kind of in reverse. So we're going to take the rubber bungees off. We're going to undo the fasteners on the front side of the tire because you're going to need the slack to get the fastener undone on the inside. And remember, that inside fastener is going to be exactly opposite of the back one. And when your hands are cold, this takes a little bit of maneuvering. So now we just undrape them and pull them out straight. And you want to get them straight because you don't want the tire running over those little yellow clips or they'll bend them and you won't be able to use your chains again. Just move forward 2 feet and they're out. So let's make sure we get everything gathered up, put it all away. Tell the shop that you've used your chains, if there's any problems with them, or maybe just so you know the shop can dry them out. Get them back in the belly of the bus. Oh, you're ready for another snow day.